I'm meteorologist Brad Souter. As we make our way into this new week, we've got some breezy weather making a return. This is going to allow the fire danger to come up as well. And the wind out of the south, so it's going to be warm, and it's going to stay warm the next few days until late week. That's when some rain comes in and everything will change. I'll show you a snapshot of the winds here about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Notice all the arrows coming from the south wind, 20-25 miles per hour. There could be some gusts today around 30, and of course that's going to mean a higher fire danger, not quite at the most critical of levels, so we don't have the fire weather warnings, but it gives us a responsibility just to make sure we're very careful with those sparks today. 82 degrees for the high. That's warm for this time of year. Low humidity, and over the next couple of days, dry and warm. Very similar weather again for tomorrow, but by Wednesday, chance of a shower, a chance of heavy rain comes in for Thursday and Friday, rain that we need, and then it's going to get out of here for the weekend. For the most part, could still be some showers around for Saturday, but Sunday looks cool and dry.